Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you? Hope that you are doing well. I am also fine. Dear friend, thank you so much for appreciating me. Your comment, like really motivate me. It was my dream and I hope my dream is coming true. I wanted to interact with you in English and it really make me confident. For spoken English, confidence is very needed. So dear friend, I hope all of you are very happy. Durga Puja is around the corner and today is Shubho Panchami. So all of you are excited, marketing is completed. So from my heart, everyone happy Durga Puja. Dear friend, so today's topic is to be expert on any field, practice is needed. Even a footballer, a cricketer, every player, a swimmer, every player, everybody try to practice daily. For spoken English, practice is very needed and practice makes a man perfect. I always try to practice and I am trying to practice in front of you so that it make me really confident. For spoken English, I hope confident is very needed. We all know English. We all know English. You know lots of English, but you can't speak in English. So I want to prove myself and I want to make you understand that it is possible. If you want to speak in English, you can also speak in English. As I am a Bengali medium student, if I can speak in English, all of you can speak in English. Dear friend, I am in my spoken English journey and I hope I could reach my goal. I have a dream, I have a vision and mission and I hope it would be clear to all of you after a certain amount of time. So dear friend, I don't mind my mistakes. Mistakes is common for learning anything, for learning cricket, football, for a student mistakes is common. So I don't mind my mistakes. I hope this is the part of my journey. Dear friend, we all in a journey and I have added a extra journey with my life journey and I want to attach this journey in my life and I hope it will be helpful for me for future. So dear friend, I wanted to make you understand in this video that practice is really needed. It makes me confident. It really make you confident. For any field, any player, any students, practice is needed. It really make you confident. And I want to share with all of you my journey. I think it would be helpful for me and it would be helpful for all of you. So dear friend, in any field where you are working, keep practicing, keep doing, try to give your best performance. I hope success will definitely come. Keep trying, keep motivated yourself and try to motivate others to do something new, try to learn new something daily. Keep motivated and try to make everyone motivated. We are all in a journey, we should reach our goal. So thank you so much for your appreciate, your support is really needed. I hope in my journey all of you will be my traveling companion. So I hope all of you getting my point. In any field where you are working, keep trying, keep motivated yourself and be confident. Avoid some words, just avoid. And I hope all of you definitely support me, and your support is really needed. Thank you so much for appreciating me. Write comment, your valuable opinion is really needed for me. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot. Enjoy this Durga Puja and be happy, make everyone happy. Thank you, thanks a lot, see you soon.